YouTube, welcome to HTS. My name is Leo Sotelo, and on this channel I teach a lot of how to make money online potentially. You got to put your links out there. There is a lot of training you have to do before you go on and do that. So I would like to thank my new subscribers as well for being here. And if this is your first time here, go ahead and since you're right here, go ahead and hit the button down below, subscribe button and notification button, because I'm coming out with some new good content. And if you want to change your situation and future, it starts by changing the person in the mirror. And a lot of people right now are waiting for this election stuff and all this stuff to go through. But I mean, the way I see it, you kind of let them do what they do as a president, whatever, and it's up to us to kind of do our own thing for our loved ones, our friends, our family, whatever it may be. So in this video, I actually want to, and actually stay till the end of this video, because I'm going to be diving into this training. And since you're here, down below in the link below in the description, I just finished writing my new book. You could get it below. It's free for a limited time. I'm going to be giving it for free, so the link is below. You just go down there, put your information, I'll send you your book. And I am going to have an affiliate link in case you're interested. It goes pretty good with the book as well, on plenty of traffic sources. And what I'm talking about today is I'm going to do a review on the one funnel away challenge, because it's taught me quite a lot of good solid information, I should say. I didn't get my words right, but it also sends you a book, pretty thick book. You can read the book. And let's get into this video real quick, because I don't want to take up too much of your time. So some of you have seen this ad right here, and you're wondering, is it worth the $100, right? Is it worth $100? And to me, honestly, I think it's worth a lot more than $100, because for the $100, I mean, you can't go wrong. I mean, this book alone right here should be about a good, what, $30, maybe even more. This little thing right here, there's some solid training in here. And the good thing is, once it's all charged up, you could take it to the gym, listen to it in your car. You know, when you're just learning this stuff, it's good to turn your car into a university on wheels. So good things like this, ebooks or audiobooks, I should say, all this stuff comes in handy when you're in the process of learning. So you've seen this ad before, and you're probably wondering, is it worth it? I say it's well worth it. It's I mean, it's basically giving it away. So like I said, I will have the link in the description. You could get that. You could get my new book and kind of combine them together and start applying all the knowledge you get. So let's go right here to my members area to show you that I actually did make this $100 investment, and all it was is $100. I mean, I know times could be rough right now, but I want to open this up so you get the full image. And times could be rough, I understand that, but $100, you could make $100. You know, recycling cans. You could go out there and figure out some way to come up with $100 to get your business up and running. And the purpose of this is that your back's against the wall. You lost everything, but you have whether you don't have it or you're building up your reputation out there. These people, let's see right here. Right here, you're going to go through these: that you must believe, failure, who not how, 10x secrets, belief, catch up day. I mean, this goes on and on. Offer hacking, offer sequencing, e-covers and offer assets. I mean, publishing. It goes on. It talks about hooks. And the same thing that you're seeing right here is in this little device I showed you earlier, this silver device, MP3 player, that you can listen to all this. And it goes deeper because they do interviews on people who have succeeded. So people have a different niche, a different uh, category they teach in. And then they start where people could take these trainings. Whether it's if you're a real estate agent, you want to teach people how to be a real estate agent. You want to teach people how to be a real estate investor. Those two are two different things. Um, what's their strategy they specialize in? So there's fix and flips, wholesaling, lease options, subject to. There's so many different uh, educations to teach in that category. So I went right there. This is their stories right here. So this guy right here, he's an Instagram expert. I learned a lot from this guy, Jeremy McGilvery. And when you click that, you could download the plan directly on your phone, whatever device. And speaking of devices, my new ebook that I wrote is monetized for your home computer, your laptop, anything down to your cell phone. So I just thought I'd put that in there real quick, because when you download this guy's plan, um, it goes in any format that you want, and that's including all these other ones. So you might have heard it before that some of these men and women are given their expertise on what they would do if they lost everything. They lost their reputation, their whole list, everything. What would they do? So this guy right here, he explains what he would do, and his main thing is Instagram. So not everybody's main thing is Instagram. So this guy right here, he's in marketing. Peng Jun. I actually like his stuff. His stuff's real good as well, and he carries a lot of knowledge that could help anybody. Kind of the best thing not to do is kind of jump from different ones. I mean, you could learn from different ones. Like this guy right here, I don't think I heard his, but he his is Facebook ads. You could learn a lot from this guy. Joe McCall, he's another guy who does real estate investing. I liked studying this guy right here because his main thing is affiliate marketing. That's what I do. I'm an affiliate marketer. I'm also a real estate investor, but I learned from a totally different source. Than I hear this guy's stuff though is pretty solid. I got that from one of my fellow investors here in the state I'm in. But internet marketing, John Lee Dumas, he does podcasting, and I've listened to a lot of. I actually am subscribed to a lot of like podcasts. Uh, this guy's channel. I had to I had to learn from a lot of men and women out there that that made it happen. And during this one funnel away challenge, when I first got it, I was kind of busy doing some other things. And look at that. That's what's his name stuff right there. That's Gary Vaynerchuk stuff. Because I'm into you just pick up a lot of knowledge from these men and women out there who are giving it out. They're doing their thing, and you just kind of hack them a little bit. So let's see, fitness right here. This person does fitness. Natalie Hotz. I don't know who that is. I don't think I listened to her. Yeah, I've seen this one. So what they do, they talk about what their business is and what they would do. So, and they go deep into it. So let's see. What's this right here? Affiliate Bootcamp Summit. And that's a good boot camp to be taking, especially if you're just starting out, because of the knowledge they give you on what to do step by step. It's pretty solid information. Like me, I didn't have a YouTube channel before, and I decided to learn how to build a YouTube channel so I could share a lot of my knowledge with all you out there, because I know what it's like when somebody pitches you a product and they stand by that you're going to be okay, but a piece of the puzzle is missing. And when that little piece of puzzle is missing, you're trying to find it, you're trying to figure out what it is. I mean, maybe you know how to build a great landing page, you know how to gather emails, in one place or another, you're not the best at. Like, I knew how to build real converting nice landing pages, and you make them pretty simple because it's basically a pre-sale page, right? And I do affiliate marketing in entrepreneurial education, real estate investing education, and sometimes weight loss. But I kind of don't want to spread myself too thin because I'm one guy and I can't really do it all. But I can, but it'll take up a lot more of my time. So when I invested in this, I wanted to see what they know that I don't. And my main thing was traffic. So I started learning a lot of traffic. And speaking of traffic, that book that I just played, they got 50 bonuses of traffic sources. So you don't have to jump around too much trying to figure out what are these websites and what are I put 50 in there for you in case you want it. It's in the link below. So in the description in the link. So a lot of this education they're teaching, let's see, brick and mortar. This is for Brick and Mortar Summit. I haven't gotten to that one because I'm not much of a brick and mortar guy. I do the stuff from the internet. But as you can see right here, all this stuff for $100, $100, and you get all this information from these men and women who have succeeded. And as usual, we all start from scratch. We all start from the bottom, especially if nobody knows your name, nobody knows what you do. And as you can see, some people in here are not. I don't see one person in here, let's say in the automotive industry. So let's say you're into the cars. You sell stuff for Summit Racing or something. I'm pretty sure these companies have affiliate programs that you could get into. So that would kind of be more under sales, physical product sales. I don't know what this person sells, but as he started a formula, so he's sharing his formula, virtually guarantees your success. So it guarantees your success. So if you're into sales, physical products, you might want to get on here and watch his and download. Let's see what his 30-day plan would be real quick, because it's going to download it real quick just off a click of a button, and you suddenly lose everything. You know what? How about just right here for free real quick, just kind of record your startup, snapshot. Hope you're taking snapshots. Look, cars. He's talking about cars, specified breeds, okay, coffee, whatever it may be. Hope you're snapshotting here. So we're going on page 6. Barnes and Noble. 7. Okay. So you kind of get it right now. I'm not going to give away all his stuff because it's up to you to make the decision if this would be okay or right for your business. As you all know, you see this ad pop up everywhere. You see it pop up everywhere. The One Funnel Away Challenge. Some people are skeptical of getting it. I understand being skeptical. I used to think with that mindset long time ago, and because of that mindset of being skeptical, it held me back. It held me back. And then once I made my first big investment in education, I started learning that skeptical is kind of something that just should be kind of tossed in the air on a windy day and let it go somewhere else, because it's not going to get you nowhere. Being skeptical is plus it's only $100. So that's my video for today. I just wanted to make my own review on One Funnel Away Challenge, and go ahead, like I said, get a copy, my free book. It's for a limited time. So you could tell your friends, tell whoever. Go to the description below, and get you your free copy. I don't know how long I'm going to have it up for free. So eventually, it might be for sale here again. So go ahead and get it. And if you like what you've seen, please hit the like button. Leave me a comment below. go ahead and share this, whatever you want to do, and you have a good day or good night. Stick around for more, so subscribe. Bye.